When it comes to the view scans, the view scans are just instrumental in the idea that with school shootings around our country, with gun violence in our communities and stuff, it's important for us to make sure that this is the safe haven for our students, and we want them to know that that's what our important value is. That is an answer to a lot of the problems that we have. Some of our schools have the arm ones that we can scan students on, but we tend to miss a lot of things with that. So the Viewscans is just the next step up.
The Viewscan with the metal detector, like a conventional metal detector, we have people walking through a metal detector, it goes off. We're having to try to determine, is there something on them, or it could be on them. When we're looking at kids, you're looking at, they have a lot of different areas where they may try to hide something, a lot more difficult, and being able to pinpoint exactly where that's at will help us tremendously.
The new technology that we are installing here at the school gives us a sense that we are being proactive with our student behavior, and that our students know what to expect and know that there's certain things that here at the school we do not approve of. I'm hoping that's what this proactive approach is going to do for us.